So let's talk about Hop Along Hoopster. This is 1981, Tomy. So Hop Along is your man here, or lady. I think you know what's gonna happen here. Hop Along is gonna end up there somehow. But how? How is Hop Along gonna end up there? Let's open it up and find out. I'm incredibly grateful to have one of these. This one is definitely seen some, I don't know, basement filth, but that's totally fine if you are not a collector and just want to play the games, which is what you should be. If it works, it's great, and this does work. So what we have here is a backboard with a scoreboard on it. You may notice that they only give you even numbers, and that's because there's a 2-pointer and a 4-pointer. Yes, a 4-pointer. That does make the math easier, but if you are a true hoops enthusiast, try not to let that bug you too much. And as you can tell, this is not a lunchbox. This is not something you can carry around. This is something that ends up in the box at the end of the day, or just takes up a lot of space. And here's the hoop. Hoop goes in there. And then we have Hop Along Hoopster. Now, unlike the other ball characters we have here, this one has more than just clackety feet. It has an arm. And you might be wondering why it has an arm, and I'll show you why. The basketball starts here, and you have 2 buttons. You have shoot, which as you can tell is going to shoot our character up into the hoop. And we have pass. And what pass does is there's a little bar here. And as our character is careening around it, you can drop that and it passes it to the 4-point shot here. So let's see it in action. First up, I'll try to show you a 2-pointer. We're just gonna let the ball go. Here we go. First try. And then you'll take your scoreboard and give yourself 2 points. And then play goes to the next player. If I had missed, I would get nothing, and the next player would get their turn. But let's say we want to go for that mythical 4-point shot. Here's how we do it. All right, so as Hop Along is going, we hit the pass button and it drops the pass rod, and it allows Hop Along to go to the next shooting position. It seems like this is incredibly violent for our little basketball. You're slamming him into the sky, and he's just this ancient plastic creature. But this one still seems to work somehow, and it's really fun, to be honest. This was just one of 7 sets that Tomy made. Do you want to see them all? Check out this video for the complete 7 sets.